This video demonstrates how to use OBD+ICP method. Use ID-changeable aftermarket, universal keys to duplicate the lost keys of JLR vehicles after 2018 years. Connect the ACDP to the vehicle OBD interface. Open ACDP app. Confirm in top right that a CDP programmer is bound. Click JLR. Click ICP plus OBD duplicate key without remove RFA 2018. Click OBD identify car info. Click Continue. Verify and identify the original vehicle information and take a screenshot to save it. Click Continue. Confirm that UWB OFF are turned close, and the key supports copying. Click OK. Click OK. Click Help. As shown in the figure, connect the BAV key adapter to the ACDP and place the sensing area of the work key on the adapter. Click BAV Identify Key Info. Click Continue. Verify the identified original vehicle key ID and chip model. Confirm that the key is an OEM key, and take a screenshot for preservation. Click Continue. Click OK. Place the new key on the BAV key adapter. Click BAV Identify Key Info. Click Continue. Check the key info. Confirm the key is a universal key. Click Continue. Click OK. Disassemble the original car key. Select the correct option based on the chip model on the key or the recognized chip model. This video takes the original car key NCF29A4V as an example. Click ICP plus OBD program key. Click Help. According to the help document, connect the key to the interface board and ACDP properly. Click Step 1, ICP read original key. Click Continue. Confirm the read info of the original car key. Click Continue. Click OK, save original key data. Note the storage path of the original vehicle data backup, date and time, and key ID. The file name ends with ORIG bin. Click OK. Click Continue. Read key data finish, click OK. Click Step 2, Make dealer key. Click Method 2, Help. As shown in the figure, place the ID changeable key onto the adapter. Click Method 2, OBD plus BAV Make universal key. Please read the precautions carefully. Click Continue. Verify the original vehicle info. Click Continue. Verify the universal key info. Click Continue. Click OK, select original key data. Selecting up original vehicle data. Attention backup date and time, and key ID. The file name ends with ORIG bin. Confirm the identified IMMO info. Click Continue. The grayed out channel is for the working key and cannot be selected. Please select Lost Key Channel 1 for duplication. Click Continue. Click Continue. Make dealer key finish, click OK. Reassemble the original car key into its housing. Get in the car and check if both the original car key and the newly copied key are functioning properly. Thank you for watching.